Yep, this is me. I know what you are thinking. Why am I walking around like someone that has no direction? Well, this app promises to pay me just for walking. And for the next 24 hours, we are going to be testing the app. Let's see how much we can actually make. So stay tuned. So to get started, I'm just going to head over to Google Play Store and type in Sweatcoin. So it's going to load, of course. Just let me just install it, right? So of course, as usual, we are going to wait for it to load, and it's taking on unexpectedly, it's taking longer time to load. But I think we just have to wait. So while we wait, let me just quickly let you know that this platform promises to pay us to work, right? Just by working, it's going to be paying us. I mean, why not? If it's going to pay me to work, I mean, I can be a workaholic sometimes. So there we go. There's the interface of the app. So all I have to do is just click on sign up now, then just choose any email. I'm just one of my random email here. Just click on continue. So it's going to load, of course. And it's going to ask me some series of questions which I can skip or answer. So I'm just going to take my time to answer all this. Then there we go. There's the interface of the app. We have successfully created our account. Alright, so it is currently almost 10 o'clock, and even though I should be sleeping, I'm about to hit the road because they say they're going to pay us to work. So why not just walk? Is it not work? I'll walk. Huh? So before ending the day, let me just quickly take a quick walk. So let's since our walking is paying us, why not? Is it not work? We are going to work now. We are going to. Is it not for the money? Anything legal for the money. By the grace of God, tomorrow we are going to be reviewing how much we've made so far. So stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps us. Okay. You know, I'm in the public right now shooting video, and I should be shy, but I'm doing it for you guys. So please subscribe and like the video. See you tomorrow. Alright, so today is the last day of the challenge. So to boost our earnings, let's take a walk, right? So while we walk, let's quickly talk about the ongoing World Cup. Recently, the Morocco just left the World Cup. They got kicked out. Good afternoon, Wes. So they got kicked out. Like, see, if you ask me, I would say I think Morocco need to work on their taking of outside shots, because I know I'm not a professional footballer, but all my years in watching football, I think the team that learns how to take outside shot, they tend to win a lot. However, Chinedu, but I don't do I say so Morocco need to start working on taking outside shot. I think all the African teams actually, because the two goals that France scored, you notice that they took the shot from outside the box. Any team that doesn't know how to take outside shots, they are in trouble. Yeah, and also I think always playing defense in a game is not recommended, because the same thing happened to Egypt. Egypt, when they scored two goals, they started going on defense and they started defending the two goals. But before you knew it, in a matter of maybe barely 5 minutes, they equalized and even won. So that's it. So I think all this work now. After all, are you even supporting the World Cup? I think with all this work, my earnings should have boosted by now, because I've been working since yesterday. Let's see. So let's head back home. Let me quickly go and take my bath, and I'm going to be revealing how much we've made so far. So at this point, I'm very happy to go and check how much I've made. I hope you are too. So after taking a very good refreshment, it is time to finally reveal how much we have made so far from this platform, right? So before I tell you, there's one important thing for me to do. So for you to do actually, so yeah, subscribe. Please just subscribe, okay? It's absolutely free now. Just subscribe, Subscribe, let's move on, please. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so for the past 48 hours of me working like a workaholic, this is how much we have made so far. Drum roll. Yeah, that's how much we have made so far. 17.14 Sweatcoin, whatever that means. Well, when I check it up on Google, actually, I noticed that it's not that bad, you know. I think 17.14 Sweatcoin is worth around $0.009. Yeah, it's I know, and yes, I know that is very small. I know that's very small, but please hear me out. You know, remember those times somewhere around last year when those airdrop they dropped, right? Some people accumulated a lot of them. Some people even have millions. So imagine you are someone having millions of Sweatcoin. Imagine how much that person is going to get. So now for my final verdict, do I think this platform is worth it? This app is worth it? For me, I would say it's actually worth you trying it out, because I mean you are not really putting in any work for you to make money, right? Just for you to leave the app on your phone, then the more you just leave it there, the more you work, the more you earn some coin, and of course those coin you can convert them into real cash, right? And also, what else am I missing? Yeah, so if I'm to rate this app from, let's say, 1 to 10, I would give the app, let's say, 4. Yes, 4, because like I said, we are not really putting in any effort, right, before we actually make money from it. Now, what we did right here, if you notice, I only made money from working from the app, just by working, right? There are other, it turns out there are other ways we can actually boost our earnings, and that is by us referring people that we know. When they sign up, we are also going to get, I think, 1,000 coin or something, right? I think something like that. So I'm not sorry about that. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video. I'm going to be showing you how to do that in my next video, which is this video right here. So watch out for it. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to actually do this and get people to sign up through your referral link. Then of course you are going to get bonus, right? So until we meet again, yes, I'm not sorry about that. Who is it messaging me? So yes, until we meet again. No, not yet. So please hit the subscribe button. So until after you have subscribed, until we meet again, peace. And yes, this channel, what we'll talk about is I will talk about different ways on how to make money online. We'll just literally try so many things on all those platforms, all those apps that promises to pay. We try them out. I try them out. We try them out together for some time. Then I come back with I come back to show you the actual results, how much I've made so far. Then that's going to determine if you are going to actually start it or not. So if that is something you're interested in, which I highly recommend you should be interested in, because there are a lot of make money online scams out there. I think a couple of days ago I heard that NRC scam people. Like, it crashed. Like, bro, before you put your money into anything, you need to be careful, because somewhere around last year, my bosses at work also got scammed. Yes, thousands of naira. Like, come on. It was devastating, even though they were smiling. So make sure you know where you put your money, right? So until we meet again, peace. Sorry. Until we meet again, take a seat.